tuning in. Welcome to the new YouTube channel. Today is the 13th of October. This is day number 45, day 45 of my video series where I will be just journaling and chronicling the events going on in my life, and hopefully and committed to showing you the transformation that I'm making. I do want to comment about the Lose It application. So I've been on a diet and exercise program, and recording everything that I eat, being very mindful of the portion sizes and putting them all in the app. My weight's been going up and down slightly. It's been teetering every day. It goes from like 188 to 186.4 to 188 to 186.4. If you're also on this journey of transformation, just know that that's normal and that's going to happen. I lost 40 pounds before doing something similar. You just have to not get discouraged and just keep recording the weight. It's going to go, at least it's not going, it's the baseline is like 188. It is going down, the body's adjusting, the metabolism is adjusting. I just have to keep doing what I'm doing. The app is set to help me with a goal of 1 pound per week. So I don't think you're going to see very dramatic results from day to day, but it's a long game. So the goal is by May of next year, and this is October, I should reach my goal weight. I should have my goal weight met. So and I've been through this before, and when I step on the scale, I'm like, "Oh, you seriously?" Right? It's like all that work and effort that I'm not any further than where I really started, and it's not true. You are in the process of transformation, and it is happening for you. So you just got to keep the faith with that. So going over the events yesterday, I completed some surplus funds cases for my VA. I submitted those. One of them got kicked back because another researcher had already found it. That's how fast we have to move on these cases. I do them as soon as I wake. As soon as I see that they're done, I do them because if another researcher turns theirs in first, then we miss out on that opportunity, and that could have been the opportunity that paid us. So we're trying to get that submitted as quickly as possible. So I made this video. I got on the treadmill, did 37 minutes, and the reason for 37 minutes just happened to be because I have a thing like at 8:40 in the morning. It's a hard stop. Whatever I'm doing at 8:40, I have to stop. So I'm committed to now getting on the exercise machine sooner so that I can do my full workout that I want to do, right? But 37 minutes isn't bad. In fact, I just got my 3-minute jog included in that 37 minutes. So that was a good workout. Took Becky to school, and then went through emails. And then I had an RMA, Remote Wellness Academy, RWA, I should put, RWA coaching call, and got to speak to one of the lead coaches there. Got some good insight from Cole on my progress. Some things are hard to implement, and how to get around those things, and I got some good insight with that. You can't do everything perfect. I've committed to doing water, committed to measuring my portion sizes, committing to keep my calories under a certain amount, committed to exercising, committed to doing certain activities that are positive for me. That's a lot. That's a shock to the system in such a short period of time. So if there's some things that I'm not able to do because of work, because of other people in the household, we have to put those goals to the side and focus, on doing what we can do. And I think that I got a green light from Cole that that's okay. So then I got on a tech support call from Pro Consultants. They're the people that I'm going to be selling ACA policies. I hope, they're scrambling to get everything done, get as many agents on board as possible, because open season for ACA is what, 1 November to 15 December. So I'm going to be working with one company, Cigna, and I think I'm going to work with them. They're going to have me work with them exclusively, and I'm going to be handling inbound calls. So, open season's the time when people need policies. They need to, if they don't have a reason to change during the year, open season's the time to do it. So it's the busiest time of the year for getting the health insurance policies for next year. So had a good coaching call with him, or not a good coaching call, but a good tech support call with him. We finalized some arrangements, going to send me the stuff. I hope to hear more from them with contracting and all that today. I submitted sales tax reports for a number of states that I'm due every quarter. They include California, Texas, and Virginia. I did those sales tax reports. They're $0 returns, but if I don't do them, I get fined or get in trouble with the state. So ever since Amazon decided to collect marketplace sales taxes, I kind of eliminated the need for me to do. I don't have any real reporting to do with the states. It's just a zero report. Did some more book buying yesterday. I'm buying more books. I'm selling books every day, and so I'm buying books to replenish the books I'm selling. Then I went to the gym late in the evening, which is different because normally I go to the gym as soon as I drop Becky off to school. But I went to the gym at 5 p.m. because I had a training session with the personal trainer. Planet Fitness offers free personal training. The catch is that you have to sign up for the personal trainer in advance. He may be working with a couple of people. He usually isn't, so it's usually a good deal. He's employed by the Planet Fitness, so he or she, but in this case, the gentleman who helped me. So he sat down. We worked out a plan. I got a 5-day plan. It's small. It's exactly what I want. It's short in duration. It's a couple of machines, every day, working on different parts of the body. That's exactly what I want from Planet Fitness. So we worked, after he did my 5-day plan, we did days 1 and days 5 of that plan, which is working on the core, the center, and a lot of crunches and things like that. There's 4 machines that I'm going to be working on that. So I'm going to do that, and then finally I got on I did one circuit session with that, and then finally came home and did a power module for the power certification, for the solar certification. So that was my day yesterday, 13 October. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon.